Member of Parliament for St. Catharines Southern Fitz-Jackson says he is in dialogue with residents in and around Hellshire to ensure chicken taken from a lost container at sea is not being consumed. This as the authorities move to locate and destroy the contaminated product. A day after the authorities raised alarm about chicken looted from a container in Hellshire, Member of Parliament for St. Catharines Southern Fitz-Jackson has weighed in on the issue. The container washed away along the Hellshire shoreline on Thursday, and on discovering that it contained chicken, persons began looting.
I have seen a report about the washed-up container containing chicken meat, and I have had discussion with my colleague, spokesperson in charge of health, Dr. Alfred Dawes. He has subsequently issued a statement on behalf of the opposition, encouraging and pleading to persons not to consume the items because of the vulnerability to various dangerous health challenges.
The Minister of Agriculture on Saturday warned against consuming the chicken, which was destined to the Cayman Islands. On Sunday, the Minister of Health has added its concerns. The minister revealed that the affected products were prepared for the market on October 24, 2024, and may have been subject to significant temperature changes while floating in the sea. Mr. Jackson stated that he has been engaging with numerous community leaders, encouraging them to support efforts in urging residents to stay alert due to the public health risk posed by the unsafe chicken products.
I have already reached out to the community group in immediate proximity where the container was found, and that is on the Hellshire Beach through the Half Moon Fishermen's Cooperative, who I have a very close working relationship over the years. I only hope that persons will abide by the pleadings which I've conveyed through them and through others that I've spoken with, because that community is the one that the container is more immediately related to.
The authorities are also advising that the chicken, which is labeled Perdix, should not be fed to animals.
I have also advised members of the public who might come in contact with the items to abide by that guidance given by Dr. Dawes not to consume the items. Like Dr. Dawes, he has mentioned, because of the economic challenges that people face, they might be inclined to want to find relief by utilizing the items for their own consumption, or even to perhaps sell them to unsuspecting persons, but to encourage them to desist.